Low maintenance executive living with views galore. This is 16 Forbes Avenue in Frenchville. I am Wes Smuts. Come and have a look at what this spectacular property has to offer. What I love about this home must be the panoramic views of Rockhampton and beyond. Can't you just see yourself sitting down here and watching the world go by? With 3 of the 4 bedrooms featuring sliding doors to the low maintenance garden, it really makes the outdoors and indoors merge seamlessly. If a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car lock-up garage, executive-style home in a sought-after pocket in Frenchville is something that appeals to you, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts.